Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer EV charging preferences from FordPass to Alexa. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start transferring your EV charging preferences from FordPass to Alexa, ensure your FordPass app is updated to the latest version. Open the FordPass app on your smartphone. Log into your FordPass account if you haven't done so yet. Navigate to the Settings menu within the FordPass app. Locate the section labeled Connected Services. Select the option for Alexa integration from the list. You may need to link your Alexa account, so tap on Link Account. Follow the prompts to log into your Amazon account securely. Upon successful linking, return to the main Settings menu. Find the Charging Preferences section within FordPass. Here, you can customize your charging preferences, such as preferred locations and charging times. Ensure that your preferences are saved in the FordPass app. Next, open your Alexa app on your smartphone. In the Alexa app, tap on the More icon at the bottom right corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu options. Use the search function to locate the FordPass skill. Tap on the FordPass skill to open its page. Choose Enable to Use to activate the skill. Sign in to your FordPass account again if prompted. Once enabled, Alexa will now have access to your charging preferences. You can now ask Alexa about your EV charging status and preferences. For example, say, "Alexa, ask FordPass about my charging settings." Confirm that Alexa responds with your saved preferences. You have successfully transferred your EV charging preferences from FordPass to Alexa. Enjoy a smoother EV charging experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.